Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to disable age restrictions on Discord through a brief tutorial. Whether you are a long-time user or a newcomer, you may occasionally need to modify these settings for various reasons. Let's get started. Begin by navigating to Discord. You can either use a web browser to visit discord.com/login or launch the desktop application if it's already on your computer. Once the page loads, you're ready to proceed. At the login screen, input the email address linked to your account. Type it precisely to avoid any errors that might block your access. Next, provide your password. Since these are case-sensitive, ensure you match every capital letter, number, and special character exactly as originally set. After filling in your credentials, select the Login button located right below the input fields. This will take you straight to your dashboard. If you've misplaced your password, simply use the recovery link to reset it. Once inside, you'll see the home screen where your chats and servers are managed. Take a quick look around if you're unfamiliar with the interface. To change your preferences, click the gear-shaped icon situated next to your profile name in the bottom left corner. This opens the User Settings menu, which houses all customization options. Scroll down the side menu until you locate the Content and Social tab. This section is where Discord organizes all privacy and content-related features. In this area, look for the toggle labeled Allow Access to Age-Restricted Commands from Apps in Direct Messages. While the name is long, this is the specific switch that controls your access to restricted content. Click the toggle to enable or disable it based on your needs. That's all there is to it. You have successfully updated your Discord age settings. Always remember to follow community guidelines and be cautious about the content you interact with or share. If you are managing an account for a minor, ensure the settings remain appropriate for their age. Discord is a great platform for building communities and networking, and tailoring these settings helps improve your experience. If you ever need to revert these changes, just repeat these steps. Thank you for watching this walkthrough. I hope this helps you customize your account exactly how you want it. Enjoy your conversations.